Before you build with a partner, you need to hear this.
Hugo says Williams withheld money and failed to report the accounting of their numerous shared businesses related to NERD Music, LLC. In 2024, Hugo filed a complaint against Williams for trademarks on music production and branding. A spokesperson for Pharrell Williams released a statement for that matter saying, quote, "We have reached out on multiple occasions to share in the ownership and administration of the trademark. The goal here was to make sure that a third party doesn't get a hold of the trademark."
The ownership attorney has entered the chat. What's unfolding between Pharrell Williams and Chad Hugo is what happens when shared ownership is challenged. Here are 2 lessons to learn from these issues that actually matter legally. Number 1, registering IP alone does not eliminate a co-owner. It was stated that the trademark was being federally registered to prevent someone else from stealing it. However, in reviewing the record, it does not appear from the filings that the trademark application was submitted for protection that would benefit both parties. As a matter of fact, in a motion filed by Hugo's counsel, settlement negotiations were claimed to have been initiated, but were not entertained by Pharrell's counsel. Furthermore, Hugo is opposing or canceling several federal trademarks, not one, that's registered or pending registration for the Neptune's mark under PWIP Holdings LLC, a company owned solely by Pharrell. What makes this whole thing appear more contentious than cooperative is that there are several claims being denied or challenged by Pharrell's counsel. Some of those claims include Hugo being 50% co-owner of the marks and that the application should have identified him as a co-owner or otherwise identified the general partnership as the owner. It sounds like there is pushback on who actually owns the mark, PW Holdings or some type of co-ownership. And number 2, contracts won't necessarily prevent litigation, but they can help you prevail in them. Hugo claims that his request for an accounting of records has been ignored. 2 important provisions that should be present in certain contracts, especially contracts where there's exchange of money. Number 1, book of accounts that speaks to how accounting records should be kept, either according to GAAP standards or some other type of accounting standards. And number 2, audit requirements. How are the audits to be performed? How many requests can be made by either party? How long do either party have to make these requests? And how to address any errors. Shared creation may give you shared rights, but unstructured ownership invites power struggles. Failure to formalize creates vulnerability. This is why I'm the ownership attorney.